This screencast will show you how to access PlayPosit Administrator's Tree View and utilize it to organize bobs in your institution. After logging into PlayPosit, use the sidebar menu to access the administration page. Then click on the Media Library to view all the bobs created by the instructors in your institution. After using PlayPosit for a while, this page might get flooded with bobs that are made for different classes and audience. The tree view can be a great tool to help administrators organize and monitor these bobs. Click on the Tree View tab on the top right to enter Tree View mode. You can see the tree view on the left side. The tree view also provides a way for administrators to keep track of instructors' usage with PlayPosit and ensure there are bobs for each subject but not overlap on the same topic. On the top is the Master District folder, and the folder below with the building icon is the Child School folder in the district. Below are the folders created for the school. Administrators can move the bobs into these folders to categorize them, based on their subject, audience, or other factors that might help organize the bobs. You can also add subfolders to a folder to help you organize the content. To add a folder, click on the school you want to add a folder to, hover over the triple dot above, and click on Add Folder. Name the new folder and click Save. To add a subfolder, click on the folder you want to add a subfolder to, hover over the triple dot above, and click on Add Folder. Name the new subfolder and click Save. To move the bob into a folder, drag the desired bob's title to the folder and release it. Please do not drag on the thumbnail image. If you want to move multiple bobs simultaneously, select them by clicking on the checkbox in front of them and drag them to the folder. If you want to move a bob out of the folder, go into the folder and drag the bob you want to remove to the school folder with the building icon. You can also edit the folder or delete it with the triple dot menu. Please note that you need to empty the folder before deleting it.